beautiful 1973 Cessna 421 Golden Eagle. The 421 is such a unique airplane. It's a big cabin that's very quiet with the pressurization and the geared engines at the low RPM. Right now we're at 9,500 feet. We're just VFR. As you'll see, the pressures, temperatures, everything line up really nice. This aircraft trims out beautifully. Hands-free flying. I don't have the autopilot engaged at this point in time. Some of the highlights of this aircraft are definitely the low-time engines. The left engine only has 120 hours on a Ram engine. On the right only has 8 hours, maybe 10 now with the flying that we've done recently. One of the other really neat things on these aircraft is they're heavy haulers. It's an aircraft you can actually put 8 people in and have some decent range. Here in Utah, lots of times I filled the seat full of 8 people, luggage in the nose, and made it to California, no problem, still under the gross weight. With 375 horsepower aside, you got plenty of power. Overall, this is a ton of airplane for the money. Juliet Victor is equipped with a Garmin 530, GMA 340 audio panel, a backup KX165 NavCom, storm scope, as well as a strike finder, dual transponders, an EDM 760, which is real crucial for a high-performance twin like this. Autopilot works good. As I'm flying right now, don't really observe any squawks. Plane flies really nice. With the low engines, this needs to go to someone that's going to use it and enjoy it.